how to make a lizard card. First, you need a green card, or I'll call it a green screen. You need a pencil, a glue, and a googly eyes, and a scissors. Be careful with the scissors. You need our adult to help you. Move it. Check. Step 2. Draw a lizard shape with a snout, 2 legs, and a tail. Okay. After drawing, step 3. Carefully cut along the lines that you have drawn. Okay, the next one. Step 4. Draw zigzag along the lizard's back to make scales. Step 5. Cut the keels out. Okay, moving on now. Step 6. Draw eyes on your lizard. If you have some wobbly eyes and glue, use this. I have 2 googly eyes and some glue. I think I'm gonna use them. Okay, step 7. Open out your lizard, and write a message on the lizard. This is my card. I hope you enjoy it.